Guys, this is a very neat Nissan Ariya, okay? As you can tell, we got those chrome wheels, which we're going to be checking out in just a second, but it has some other features that are going to impress you a little bit. This is the 2023 Nissan Ariya Premier. This is an all-electric vehicle coming from Nissan. Price point of this vehicle is going to be shown on our website very soon, but the odometer reads 9,990 miles. You're going to get the black diamond pearl exterior paint coat, the charcoal leather interior, front-wheel drive, and not only that, but here at the Seward Car Company, due to us being on a county island, you actually get to save around 2 to 3% when you purchase a vehicle from us compared to other dealerships around the area. That is so nice. So 2 to 3% is a lot of money, especially when you're getting a more expensive vehicle. With that as well, MSRP is $54,690. I know for sure that when the price comes out about this vehicle, you are not going to have to deal with that large price tag. Let me tell you, we give really good deals for EVs. Not only that, but you get 289 miles of battery. That is amazing range, even better than the standard range Tesla. You also get a 3-year, 36,000 mile basic factory warranty to go on top of that. And yeah, so it's just a really solid vehicle. And if you want to learn more about any of those other things, definitely let us know or call us. But let's check out the exterior of this vehicle real quick. Get a 360-degree view camera system, daytime running headlights, those chrome wheels. These are actually going to be by Revenge. Different types of wheels. We usually don't have wheels like this. They usually come with the standard ones that are stock, but this is actually pretty cool. And you also get red calipers, so it just looks even better. You're gonna get foldable mirrors, keyless entry for all the door handles, and not only that, but front and rear sensors, the Nissan badge on the back, as well as that Ariya and Premier badges. Let's open this up real quick. Automatic tail lift gate, very nice. You're gonna have lots of storage, rubber floor mats from the Ariya or from Nissan, but as well as that, you get a large capacity down there to be able to stow some things. So that is very nice. Let's close this up real quick. Going onto the interior, get that leather, that black leather interior also on the paneling with the heated seats in the back, and not only that, but a USB-C, USB port combination. Opening this up, get cup holders down there. Also has suede, so it just looks so amazing, okay? Going inside, you get power adjustable seating for the driver and the passenger, but the driver has memory seat settings. Going inside as well, you get steering assist, you get the auto hold, and if we actually open this up, or actually turn it on real quick, get a leather wrapped steering wheel with your different buttons. Pro Pilot Assist is on this vehicle, so that means you're going to have an autonomous driving type of feature on here, as well as adaptive cruise control that's going to help you out. You're also going to be having your digital cluster system up over here, which looks so nice. So you can go to the settings button, have driving or driver assistance. It's got the intelligence cruise control, which is basically that Pro Pilot Assist button. And if we go down over here, you get lane centering, lane change, lane assist, blind spot assist, emergency assist, and it just keeps going. You get traffic sign assist, that parking assist function, driver monitor, which is the heads-up display at the top, as well as that, or actually it's just a different feature. Driver monitor is going to be that alertness, but you're going to have that heads-up display anyways. Sound setting, as well as that, we can go down and you get the e-step feature as well. So very nice. This digital cluster system basically looks like the infotainment display. I actually think it has better color in it. But if we go down over here, your center console has your wireless charging pad, as well as cup holders. You get the Parktronic feature, which basically means that this car will park on its own. You can also open this up real quick. Yeah, that's right. You got a secret compartment right over here. Very nice. So you could put a gun in there just in case you're going to need one of those, all right? So that's fantastic, all right? You get your driving modes. You get Sport, Standard, and Eco. And these are haptic buttons that are on the bottom. So this is just very different. E-step, and also the center console actually moves away and shows that you have a USB-C, USB port combination with a 12-volt port as well. Up over here, you're going to have your AC system. Again, all touch sensitive, very nice. You just kind of click on that. Super cool. It's got this weird type of wooden inlay. I think it's pretty cool actually. But you get that infotainment display over here as well. Has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And definitely if you go into reverse, you can see that we got 360-degree view camera system with the rear view camera system as well. Going up over here, you're going to be getting your rear view camera that's actually going to be on the rear view mirror. So it's very different, okay? So you can just kind of click that back and you get the mirror. If you go like that, you're able to see everything that's going on behind you. You also have those functions underneath this that are going to be able to help you kind of customize it to your own needs. You also have your sunglasses holder, touch sensitive lights, as well as 3 garage door openers, and your panoramic moonroof that everyone loves. There you go. So if you have any other questions, let us know, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.